Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file Form 3115 using the easy method. First, determine if your specific accounting method change qualifies for this streamlined approach. This method is designed to simplify the process for certain common changes, potentially saving you significant time and effort. We'll cover the essential steps to ensure your submission is accurate and accepted by the IRS, making the process much smoother. The easy method is generally available to taxpayers making certain automatic accounting method changes. This often includes small businesses and individuals who meet specific criteria. For instance, some changes are limited to taxpayers with average annual gross receipts below a certain amount, such as $50 million. Always check the latest IRS guidance to confirm your eligibility for your particular situation. Filing Form 3115 involves a few key steps. Begin by accurately completing the form, ensuring you identify the correct automatic change number for your situation. Next, attach the completed Form 3115 to your timely filed income tax return. Finally, remember to send a separate copy of the form to the IRS National Office in Washington, D.C., as required. To avoid common pitfalls, always double-check that all required sections of Form 3115 are fully completed and accurate. Confirm you meet every eligibility requirement for the easy method to prevent delays or rejections. Remember to send copies to both the IRS National Office and attach one to your tax return. Also, for more great financial insights, check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.